Hello everyone, Suresh KP from myinvestmentidea.com. Today we are going to check about Mirai Asset Ultra Short Term Duration Fund, which is a new fund offer floated by Mirai Asset Mutual Funds. Before we get into the issue information, let us check about what exactly ultra short term duration funds refer to. This ultra short term duration funds invest in debt instruments that would mature between 3 to 6 months. So generally one would be invest in liquid funds if the duration is less than say 1 month, 2 months or 3 months. But if your objective is to invest money for 3 to 6 months period, then ultra short duration funds would be the ideal option. Let us get into the NFO issue details. Mirai Asset Ultra Short Term Duration investment objective is to generate regular income and provide liquidity by primarily investing in debt and money market instruments. Mr. Mahendra Kumar Jaju is a fund manager. Scheme opens on 20th September and it closes on 6th October. And again, it's going to open for further purchase and sale on 8th October. Like any other mutual fund, it has scheme plan is direct and regular growth and dividend. Minimum investment is 5,000 and there is no exit load and the risk profile is moderately low risk. The maximum expense ratio is 2%. And the benchmark is Nifty Ultra Short Duration Debt Index. Now let us talk about the allocation pattern in this short-term duration fund. It invests 0 to 100% in debt and money market instruments, including government securities. For the portfolio, will be between 3 to 6 months. The risk profile in this segment is low to medium. It also invests between 0 to 10% in real estate investment trust and INV ITS. The risk profile in this segment is medium to high. Now let us talk about some of the reasons why we need to invest in this, why we can invest in this short duration fund. One, ultra short duration funds generally invest in debt instruments that mature in 3 to 6 months. So if your investment horizon is 3 to 6 months, then you can invest in such funds. These short-term funds generally provide 5% to 8% annualized returns, though they are not guaranteed. So if you are looking for a returns higher than bank FDs, then one can invest in these funds. Now let us check about some of the negative factors or the risk factors. So this ultra short-term duration fund invests in bonds, debentures, and money market instruments, and actually they have a price risk and or interest rate risk. So generally, if the interest rate increases, then the bond prices would fall, and vice versa. So to that extent, there will be risk in this, and it invests in debt instruments that generally carry credit risk, default risk, and liquidity risk. It also invests in government securities where there is no such credit risk. It invests up to in derivatives up to 50% of the portfolio for the purpose of hedging and portfolio rebalancing, and up to 10% in real estate investment trust and INV ITS. Generally, these are very high risk. So you can refer complete risk factors in the particular scheme in SID or KM or NFO prospectus. Now let us talk about the performance of existing ultra short-term duration funds. If you see, we have filtered some of the funds where the returns in the last 1 year are between 6% to 9%. And if you see the returns for 6 months, it is 3.8% to 4.2%. So though in some of the cases the performance is showing very high, but one can consider that 5% to 8% annualized returns could be a good expectation from these funds. Now, can we invest in these funds for a 3 to 6 months tenure? Let us check about the details. This fund is going to invest in debt and money market instruments, including government securities. It invests in debt instruments that mature in 3 to 6 months period. So if you're looking for a higher returns compared to bank fixed deposits, then you can invest in this fund. If you are looking for anything which is lesser than say 3 months, then better you go for a liquid mutual funds. Or even if you're thinking of investing for more than 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, then there are other funds like your short-term duration funds or your long-term duration funds. You can go for that. If you have any queries, you can reach me, Suresh at myinvestmentidea.com. Thank you.